Minasan konnichiwa. Today I'm going to introduce to you the Japan jobs. Okay? Kyo wa Nihon no shokugyo o goshokai itashimasu node yoroshiku onegai itashimasu. Dewa hajimemashou. Okay, so our first occupation part one will be, so occupation means shukogyo or jobs. Okay, we have number one is teacher. We call it kyoshi. So if I'm going to say I am a teacher, I will say watashi wa kyoshi desu. We can use sensei to address other person. For example, okay, Matsumoto is a teacher. Matsumoto-san wa sensei desu. Or we call it teacher Matsumoto. Matsumoto sensei. Second one is Ishi. Ishi. I am a doctor. Watashi wa Ishi desu. Okay. If you mention other person, he is a doctor, you will say Kare wa Isha-san desu. Isha-san desu. Okay, so that's the difference between that I'm describing my job and other person's job. Okay, so third one is Keisatsukan, means police officer. Keisatsukan. Keisatsukan, police officer. The next one is Tsugiwa Bengoshi, lawyer. Bengoshi, lawyer. Bengoshi, lawyer. Bengoshi. Next, Tsugiwa is Biyoshi. Okay, so you can see this person, Biyoshi, is a parlor. So she is hairdresser. Okay, hairdresser. So I am a hairdresser. Watashi wa Biyoshi desu. Okay, so usually pag parlor, ang tawag doon ay bio-in. Bio-in. Pag hospital, view-in. View-in. Pag hospital. Okay? Pag parlor, bio-in. Pag hairdresser, bio-shi. Sugiwa is kinchikuka, architect. If you are an architect, okay, I am an architect. Watashi wa kenchiku ka. Kenchiku ka. Kenchiku ka. I am an architect. Watashi wa kenchiku ka. Tsugi wa, you are bank employee or bank clerk. Ginko-in. 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 I'm a bank clerk. Watashi wa ginko-in desu. Next is kangoshi. Kangoshi. Okay, kangoshi. Okay, so we call other persons kangofu. Okay, if I will say I am a nurse, watashi wa kangoshi desu. If you will say she is a nurse, kanojo wa kangofu-san desu. Okay, kangofu-san desu. Hai, tsugi. We have here Keisha, the manager. Okay, Keisha, executive manager. Keisha, okay, the manager of the company. Keisha. Okay. If you are a firefighter, I am a firefighter. We have a firefighter. Shoboshi. Shoboshi. Okay. Watashi wa shoboshi desu. I am a firefighter. I am a scientist. Scientist means kagak siya. Kagaku siya. Kagaku siya. Okay, so we can also pronounce kagak siya. If you are child care worker, so I say I am a child care worker. Watashi wa hoikushi. Watashi wa hoikushi. Hoikushi. Okay? Hoikushi. Hoikushi. Okay? If you are a child care worker. Hi, Chigi, if you are a dentist, okay? Shikai, I am a dentist, I will say Shikai. Watashi wa Shikai desu. If you say he is a dentist, kari wa haisha-san desu. Okay? If you say other person, okay, he is a dentist, kari wa haisha-san desu. Okay, I am an engineer, you say engineer. Engineer. Engineer means engineer. Okay. Pharmacist is yakuzaishi. Yakuzaishi. From the word yakuzai is the medicine. Okay. So pharmacist is yakuzaishi. 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 Next is veterinarian for the doctors for animals. Okay. No, it's Juishi. Juishi is veterinarian. Okay, veterinarian means Juishi. Okay, alright, sige. We have the politician, Seijika. 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 The politicians, your mayor, your vice mayor, your governors are politicians, Seijika. Senators, congressmen, Seijika. Next is tax accountant. Okay. Zeri. She. Zeri. Tax means Zeri. Zeri. She is tax accountant. Okay. If you have your secretary, is we call it Hisho. 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 Your secretary. Hisho. Your administrative scrivener or your recorder, we have Gyosei Shoshi. Gyosei Shoshi. Okay, Gyosei Shoshi. Your administrative scrivener or your recorder. Sige, is your judicial scrivener. We have your Shiho Shoshi. Okay. Shiho Shoshi. Okay. Then your judge. Okay. Saibankan. The judge. I am a judge. Saibankan. I am a public prosecutor. Watashi wa Kensatsukan. Kensatsukan. Kensatsu. From the word Kensatsu, ikaw po yung check, nag-investigate, public prosecutor. Your accountant, Kaike Shi. Kaike Shi. Kaike Shi. And we have also your chef cook or your cook, we call it Shorinin. Shorinin. Your chef. Instructor, for gym instructor, we call it, we say gym instructor or instructa. Instructa. Okay. For the reporter, we have Kisha. 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 And a real estate agent, so if you need a house in Japan or apartment, please contact your Fudo Sanya. Fudo Sanya. Okay. Now, if you need photographer, we have Shashinka from the word Shashin, pictures. Okay. Shashinka is the photographer. Shashinka. Astronaut, we have Ochu Hikoshi. Ocho Hikoshi. Ochu Hikoshi. And you need interpreter from Japanese to English and vice versa, English to Japanese. You need a okay. No, no. It's Suyakshi. Okay. Okay. Suyakshi. Or you need a Suyaksha. I am an interpreter. You will say, Itashi wa Tsuyakshi. He is an interpreter. You will say, Kare wa Tsuyakusha. Tsuyakusha. Okay. So thank you very much. Okay. For your subscription, please subscribe and click the bell. Okay. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay. And click the bell all. Please click the bell for all. Okay. So thank you very much. See you on the next video. Bye bye. Mata ne.